everyone, Cassandra Brooks here. You're watching I'm Hot TV, and I'm about to show you guys 10 easy ways to tie a simple basic t-shirt and make it fabulous. Our first tie is actually pretty simple. A lot of you may already know how to do this, some of you may not. You're going to gather all the fabric in the front of your shirt, and you'll have this tail, which we are going to then twist and twist and twist until it starts turning into a circle. Now you have a couple options here. You can stick your finger in the center of the circle and then guide the end of the tail through the loop, and you will have a cute little tie like that. Or if you don't like this little belly button poking out, I guess, then you can take that part and instead you can wrap a hair elastic around the shirt, like so. Ta-da! And if you wanted a more polished look, you can actually take that and just fold it under. For our second look, you're actually going to take the sides of your shirt. You want to get all the fabric nice and gathered, and you're going to use the ends to make a knot. Little bunching in the front. Now we have these two little tails, which looks really undone. Take the top tail, you can tuck it into that little crease right there, the top crease, and then you take the bottom tail and tuck it underneath. Basically, you are tucking the ends of the shirt into the folds that you just created by making that knot. And this is the finished look. For our next look, we're going to start with the sides again. Take your first side and you're going to twist 2 or 3 times the side of your shirt, and then I want you to tuck that tail into your bra strap. Do the same thing on the other side, twist it 2 or 3 times depending on your preference, and then tuck the tail into the side of your bra strap. This is going to create a loose fitted crop top. It's just very casual and actually really comfortable. We have another easy one right here, you guys. Go ahead and take your shirt and gather it in the front and put a handy dandy elastic hair tie over that. It's going to create this tail in the front, which is not very attractive. Go ahead and take that tail and twist it. You're going to twist it into a little circle. And now you can take the tail and tuck it into the bottom of the elastic. Now this looks very similar to one of the first folds that I showed you, or first ties, but this is actually better for your shirt than pulling the tail through and keeping that fabric really taut for a long time. That's going to create a lot of stretch in your shirt and can damage it long term. So this is definitely better for your shirt, and I think it's pretty cute. Our next look starts very similar, but I promise you it's much different. Go ahead and gather your shirt in the front again. And I want to make this one a little bit shorter. And then wrap your handy dandy hair tie around the tail. There we go. And now I want you guys to reach for your favorite scarf. Here's one of mine. Favorite neutral leopard print. I'm going to go ahead and place that over the top of the hair tie and then tie it underneath on the bottom in just a little knot. Okay, so it's okay if it's uneven. It looks kind of cute that way. If you want it to be more even, you can play with that give. Now you want to take the tail from the t-shirt and you just tuck it up. You can tuck it up into your bra, just into the shirt, whatever feels comfortable for you. And there we have a really cute little scarf on our shirt. Now our next look, I especially love when I'm wearing like an oversized band t-shirt, but it'll look cute on this solid gray shirt as well. What you want to do is go ahead and pull all of the excess fabric to one side. Put your hand against your side, your waist basically. We're going to pull the fabric over past our belt loop. Then we're going to stick our thumb and our index finger through the belt loop to grab the tail. So grab the tail, pull it through, pull that pretty tight. Then you're going to bring the loop towards your belly button and tuck it up under the shirt. So you have created this nice little fold and it covers the belt loop and it looks pretty cool. For lucky look number 7, let's go ahead and get lucky with ourselves. No, but really, I want you guys to grab the extra fabric from over your chest. And we are going to have that fabric meet in the middle, like so, all the way down. And I want you to twist it over itself 2 to 3 times, depending on your shirt. So it will look like that. Now you are going to flip your shirt inside out so that you can grab that section of twisted shirt, and you want to put your hair tie over it. You can make a little tiny ball like this. And when you drop your shirt, we have kind of like a surplus top like this. So this would look really cute on anyone who has a little baby bump growing. If you have a large extra shirt, you can make this adorable little top. And what you could also do if you wanted it to be like a little midriff kind of top, you take this extra bunchy fabric and you can go ahead and tuck it up. Tuck it in, all the way around, and you have a cute little crop. For look number 8, we are going to transform a baggy, just kind of blah look into something that is definitely more refined. And to do that, I just want you to start folding over the hemline in the back and the front. So I just go ahead and do the front first and the back. This will be easier in some shirts that are a little bit thicker. This shirt is very stretchy jersey material, and it's a little difficult to work with sometimes because it's super, super stretchy. But anyways, go ahead and keep flipping the hemline over until you get to your jean level, like the top of your jeans. Okay, one more loop in there. And then we are going to take the sides of our shirt and tuck it in the back. Tucked that in everywhere, and this shirt now looks more similar to a tight-fitted silhouette. Number 9 seems a little tricky, but again, you guys, I promise it's not once you try it. I want you to go ahead and cross your arms, grab the ends of your shirt, and pull them over. Now we have created this little crisscross section. Go ahead and tuck this tail over on this side, and tuck this tail over on this side, and roll a little bit, and we have this cute little twisted top. For our 10th and final look, we're going to turn our cute t-shirt into a tank top. So I find that this is easier to do by sticking your hand through your shirt, and you're going to grab the end of the sleeve, pull it inside, and then you simply tuck it underneath your bra strap, like so. Then you fan out the fabric a little bit, and you have like a muscle tank top. So I'm gonna do that on both sides. Stick your hand in your shirt, grab the tip of the sleeve, pull it back underneath itself, and then simply tuck it into your bra strap. Fan out the fabric. Now I love this look completed with the tie in the front and then the tank top sleeves. Super cute, huh? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that it was fun and informative for you guys. However, if you did have any questions, go ahead and leave them down in the comment section below and I will do my best to help you out. I would also love to know which look out of the 10 was your favorite. kind of really digging this combo. Anyways, go ahead and give me a follow on Instagram if you feel so inclined. I would love to connect with you guys on there. I think it's super fun. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this channel. It would mean the world to me. I love you guys so much. You rock. I will see you next video. Stay trendy. Mwah.